So this is a short video introduction to the two rigs that you might want to use for the dinosaur animation tutorial. So as ever, I'm going to start with the blog. This is an older blog post from 2016, Dinosaur Locomotion tutorial. But the tutorial, although it's recorded in Maya 2016, it's substantially the same as modern versions of Maya. They really haven't changed very much, at least for animation. So the suggestion is to use the this particular rig here, the Dino rig by Harry. I have no idea how to pronounce his last name, so I'm not going to try. But you can find a link to it here if you click. Oh, it's not going to let me do this. There we go, just Office firewall stuff. So if I go to the Dino rig, you can download it for free here from highend3d.com, used to be called Creative Crash, and this is the rig that was used for the tutorial. However, if you don't want to use that one, you can also use this rig here, which I've done another version of the walk. This walk isn't actually finished. I haven't done the overlap on the tail or on the arms yet, but the basic structure of the walk is there. It is functioning as a basic dinosaur walk. Now this is using a different rig. This is the IREX rig, and that's by the very talented Trong. So you can see there's actually a blog post on that one. It's the Indominus Rex. Again, it's fan art based on the Jurassic World series, but it's a really nice rig. You can get some really good animation out of it, and this blog post explains where to find it and how to download it. So there's also a video embedded here on how to render it out, and there's also a little video here by this rig. I'll just take the sound down. This is a great piece of animation to dinosaurs on the Tokyo subway. I'll let you watch that at your leisure at the website. But you can. This is a very, very good rig, and you can do some really nice work with it. So those are the two basic rigs. As I say, probably the best thing is to use the Harry rig, because you can follow through the tutorial step by step. But the IREX rig also works well, and you won't go wrong with either one of them.